Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'm gonna show you all a very simple wedding guest makeup look which is perfect for this summers because the base makeup is very minimal, and also I'll be showing you guys one hairstyle and also three different ways we can style jasmine flower to that one hairstyle. So first I'll be tying my hair all up so that it doesn't disturb my makeup. So I'll be moisturizing my face really well using aloe vera gel. Here I am using Wow aloe vera gel, and I should say that this is the best aloe vera gel which I've ever come across. Yes. Now I'll be using a primer. For that I'll be using this Blue Heaven primer. I'll be applying it to the areas wherein I have got pores, as well as to my nose area and to my eyelids. So that makeup lasts for a longer time because it's summers, it's humid, it's hot. And now for base I'll be using LAKME CC cream. You can even use your foundation, but as I said, I want and I also like my base makeup to be very minimal when during summers. So I'll be just blending it really well. I'll be using this Pune makeup sponge and dabbing the product into my skin and blending it really well. So I'll be taking again a little bit of more product, and I'll be applying it under my eyes and also to my chin, because I have got a little bit of darkness over there. To cover that, to have more coverage, I'll be applying the same product and blending it really well using this Pune makeup sponge. And then for compact powder, I'm using this Dazzler compact powder. I don't know why I said that. So Dazzler compact powder, and I'll be picking it up with the same damp sponge and applying it to my face so that it lasts for a longer time. So it's always better to use this damp sponge rather than using a brush, because it holds on for a longer time. Then I'll be using this brown eyebrow pencil which I got from Club Factory, and I should say that's really good. So I'll be filling in my eyebrows wherein there are gaps, and just I'll be running my fingers over my eyebrows so that it's all blended. I didn't have any spoolie, I didn't had that, so that's the reason to have a natural look. I just went over on my eyebrows with my fingers itself, and then I'll be taking the same compact powder and applying it to my eyelids, a good coat, so that our eyeshadow stays for a longer time. Then I'll be taking the SIVANNA highlighter, and I'll be taking this champagne shade and applying it to my eyelids just below the crease. And then I'll be taking this dark bronzy shade, and I'll be applying it to my outer corners of my eyes as well as to the crease with my fingers itself. And then I'll be blending it with my clean fingers so that both these together are blended really well. And then I'll be taking this highlighting shade, and then I'll be highlighting my brow bone, and then I'll be using the same shade just to my eyelid, middle of my eyelid, and then blending it with my fingers itself. So make sure that it's blended really well, especially since we are using our fingers. It might be a little hard to blend, but then we can work out. Not, I think most of the beginners doesn't have eye makeup brushes, so definitely they can try this with the fingers itself. We can definitely apply eyeshadow, and that's gonna look good. So please try it out. There's no rule that we should use our brushes. We should use brushes to apply eyeshadow. We can even use our fingers. That's absolutely fine. So I'll be highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighting shade. And then for eyeliner, I'll be using this LAKME Absolute Insta Liner, and I'll be creating a very bold wing eyeliner. Because that's what I wanted. So first I have created the wing, and then I'll be building it up slowly. So it's wing liner, take your own time, that's okay, and then just work on it. So I'll be extending my eyeliner to my inner corners as well, because that gives a very long elongated eye look, which I really like. So I have taken my time. Slowly I have come to a point wherein I liked my wing liner very much. So then again I'm repeating the same for the another eye as well. I'll be extending the eyeliner to my inner corner as well. So here after that I won't be using any kajal. For that I'll be using this colored eye pencil, which is from Miss Claire, and it is in the shade turquoise blue, and my sari border is also turquoise blue. That's the reason I went for this shade. And then I'll be applying it to my lash line, not to the waterline. So please keep that in mind, it doesn't work well on waterline. And then again I'll be applying eyeliner to my inner corners, little bit, extending it a little bit, and then I'll be applying this Essence mascara, which is a really good one. So I'll be applying 2 to 3 coats of mascara so that my eyelashes are really fluttering and nice and all beautiful. So once it is done, from the same highlighter, I'll be taking those two pinky shades and applying it as a blush very lightly, because it's shimmery. So I really do not like shimmer a lot, so that's the reason I've taken a little bit of it. And then I'll be taking this champagne shade and highlighting my cheekbones as well as bridge of my nose, a little bit of forehead as well as chin. Then I'll be taking this bronzy shade and I'll be contouring very slightly just to my cheek, hollows of my cheek, and then I'll be just blending all together. Since especially this is very shimmery, make sure that you blend it really well. And for lips, I'll be using this Miss Claire liquid lipstick, and I'll be taking a little bit to my fingers and applying it to my lips. If I apply it with my brush, it will be way too much and it's not gonna suit me because it slightly washes me out. Then I'll be taking the same lip gloss which comes with the same liquid lipstick, and makeup is done. I'll be applying a turquoise blue bindi, and with that makeup is done. And now let's move on to hairstyle. For that, make sure that your hair is completely tangle free. This is an open hair hairstyle. And then what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm taking a big good not a very big chunk of hair from both of my section. You can even go for side partition. I like to go for middle partition. That's the reason I took middle partition. It's all up to you. And then what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna take two section of my hair, and then I'll be going one over the other, and then I'll be twisting it a bit, and then I'll be securing it with a bobby pin. And I'm gonna repeat the same. I'm taking two section and I'll be going one over the other and twisting it all together. Then I'll be securing it with a bobby pin. And our hairstyle is ready. And now I'll show you guys 3 different ways we can style jasmine flowers to this hairstyle. So I'll be also pushing a bit front section a bit so that it's a little voluminous, and I'll be applying a DIY makeup setting spray. And this is very simple. I have taken rose water and glycerin, mixed it both together, and that's it. Now for first hairstyle, I'll be putting jasmine flower in such a way that it's falling in front, and jasmine flower is really visible. So I'll be securing it with my bobby pins, and that's it. Very simple. And for second hairstyle, I'll be taking this jasmine flower and putting it behind my neck and taking it over my hair, and again securing it with bobby pin both the side. And this is again very simple, but then it's very classy and very beautiful. Most of the Malayalis know this hairstyle because most of them does this. And this is how it looks like. And from back side, I'll just show you guys right now. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very pretty. Please try it out. It suits really well for sari. And for the third hairstyle, what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm again taking the jasmine flower and securing it bobby pin, and then I'll be just putting this jasmine flower in a U shape, and then I'll be again securing it with bobby pin. And below that first layer, I'll be going on one more layer with the jasmine flower and then securing it with bobby pin. Since I had left over this jasmine flower, I'll be again going one more layer. So in total there will be 3 layers of jasmine flower for this hairstyle. And again, this very pretty way to put on jasmine flower to your open hairstyle. It suits really well. So that's it guys, our third hairstyle is also done. And I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. Please to try it out and let me know how it turned out for you all. And this saree is bought from Amazon. I will leave the link of the video wherein I have shown you guys this saree and all the pricing details, everything. And this saree I worn literally in just 5 minutes. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And also please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so that you guys get notified every time I upload a video. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.